All right, so ready for definition 2? So here we go. It says, for any Rn, epsilon sub n is the sequence of vectors that you see here. So notice how it has the one down the diagonals as you go down across. If you think about this as a matrix, but these are all the column vectors, right? So you notice that these are individual vectors. Now, this is called the standard basis, okay? Or what we also call the natural basis for R sub n. And we denote that these individual vectors here, we denote them as lowercase e's with subscripts, right? So e sub 1 to e sub n. Okay, so this is the definition of what we call the standard basis of Rn, or what we call also the natural basis. We'll use those interchangeably. Okay. What else do I want to say about this? So one thing that here. So in calculus books and some calculus books, typically for R2, right, two-dimensional space. So they'll denote the vectors, the basis of the vectors, with subscripts I and j, right? Or they'll just say I vectors and j vectors, right? So when you talk about calculus, instead of using e sub 1 and e sub 2. Okay, and of course they'll use ijk in R3. Okay. Now also note that e sub 1, the vectors e sub 1 means something different in a discussion of R3 than it means in a discussion of R2. Okay? And that's where I'm going to stop. Have a good day.